Oh, yes, it's that Friday feeling. Yes, it's that Friday. In fact, it's that purple Friday feeling. I do like that. Purple. We have not got the purple screwdriver. No. We've got the purple covering. But what we're doing today? Absolutely nothing. Yes, we're doing absolutely nothing. Why, Chris? What's going on? Why are you doing a video now? It's just to tell you tomorrow we're doing a Saturday Night Live wing covering. Yes, I'm mad. We're going to do it. It's the first time I've done some wing covering, and I'm going to do it live. Why I'm going to do it live? Well, I might need some help. And I need you to be there, either to laugh with me, cry with me, or offer some sort of help what I'm doing. Now, this is Formax covering, and Formax, as you can see just quickly now, does give you the little hint of what to do and how to do. Yes. So what I'm going to give it a go, and I'm going to give it a go tomorrow night, which is Saturday, the whatever it is of January. What's the date? I don't know. Yes, it's Saturday, the 26th of January, tomorrow. At 8 o'clock, that's 8 o'clock in the evening, UK time GMT. It will be starting. Yes, we will. So you can see it all around the world. Work out your times and be there. Don't be round, be square. Or is it just to be there? I don't know, but I'll see you later.